Welcome to the SelfDecode at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. SelfDecode is a comprehensive DNA testing service that focuses on providing in-depth health insights through genetic analysis. It is designed for individuals who want to better understand their genetics and how they impact their overall health, wellness, and lifestyle choices. Whether you're interested in improving your diet, optimizing your exercise routine, or understanding your genetic predispositions to various health conditions, SelfDecode delivers actionable results. The testing process is straightforward. After receiving the kit, you collect a saliva sample using the provided collection kit and send it back to the lab. Results are typically delivered within a few weeks and are accessible through the SelfDecode online platform. The platform provides a user-friendly experience, breaking down your genetic data into understandable categories such as health risks, nutrition, fitness, and more. What sets SelfDecode apart is its detailed and personalized genetic analysis. It provides reports on a range of topics, including your risk for chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and mental health issues. Additionally, SelfDecode offers insights into how your genes affect your metabolism, detoxification processes, and response to various nutrients. This makes it particularly useful for those looking to optimize their health with a diet and lifestyle tailored to their genetic makeup. SelfDecode also offers actionable health advice based on your genetic data, which includes lifestyle, supplement, and diet recommendations. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast wanting to optimize your workouts, or someone interested in disease prevention, SelfDecode provides valuable insights that empower you to make informed health decisions. In conclusion, the SelfDecode at-home DNA test kit is ideal for anyone who wants to take a deeper dive into their health by leveraging the power of genetics. With a focus on personalized health optimization and clear, actionable results, it's a great tool for proactive health management. Be sure to check the link in the description to start your journey with SelfDecode today.